Assalamualaikum, saya Siti Alisha, TV Proses anda. Hari ini kita bersiaran di Dewan Terbuka sempurna program penutupan Majlis Minggu Transisi 2025. Jom!
Bacaan doa sebentar tadi.
Saya seronok, saya happy. Saya suka program ni.
How many stars are you giving for this event?
10 stars.
What's your name?
No mine.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Cikgu Yuslan.
What's your name?
My name is Hani.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Cikgu Hanis.
What is your name?
Mama Umar Sumbin Hasrawi.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Cikgu Roslinda. My name is Lydia.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Cikgu Zurimi.
Haras. What is your favorite teacher?
Afika.
Teacher.
Cikgu Apot. Kaula.
What is your favorite teacher?
Cikgu Zurimi.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Teacher Surimi. Sekian dahulu untuk episod kali ini. Bye.